My name is Marlene Rocio Orvales. In this moment, I'm going to talking about chores and errands. Okay, let's begin. Here, I feeding the dog. This picture represents chores. Okay, feed the dog. My dog say, "Let me eat in peace. I am grumpy." Rah. It's funny, okay? Here, I'm making the bed. I am not a perfectionist in this shirt. And you? What do you say? Here, I am shading the floor. If you can see, this frosting is changing. Here, I am taking out the garbage and cleaning the background. Really, I think that these are dirtiest things to do. What do you say? Here I am doing the laundry. Okay, I wash the clothes with my hand. I wash the clothes with my washing machine. And although I should have washed everything in the washing machine, is better. Okay. Here, well, it was time to eat fish. Here, I am making dinner. Okay, this fish is so cute. I will get the plants to bloom some. Here, I'm wearing the plants. This shirt is relaxed for me. Here I pick up my son from school and go get gas, okay? And this picture I should have brought an umbrella because the sun is strong, okay? Today is strong. In the second picture, I am so scared because I forgot that there is no service today. Here I pay bills and go to the bank. The bank is closed. I could have arrived early. The mirrors, if you can see, this mirror needs to be cleaning. Or what? Here I am doing grocery shopping. I feel excited in this place because there are much things. Okay, it's all for you. Thank you very much.